I decided I'm gonna make use of the tool that I got on sale at Dollar General during the clearance events. Remember, these were like, I don't know, 50% off or something like that. So this $4 tool, actually it's just a handsaw. I decided I'm gonna make use of it because this tree right here, I'm sick of it. Okay, I done had this thing cut down to the stump and it just keeps growing back every year. I don't even know what kind of tree this is, but I know it's a tree that gets on my nerve, okay? Because every time I get out my car, I'm getting scratched up by this little tree. So we're going to take care of that today with this little $4 tool. $8 if you didn't get it on sale at Dollar General. It's just a little handsaw, guys. We want to see if it works. So far, I done took out one limb, and we're going to see if we can get as much as I need to get off so that this ain't scratching me up when I get out the car. Okay, you see them teeth on there? Now this blade, it ain't the best quality, but it's sawing it off pretty good, okay? With minimal effort, we're able to take all that off. It's out of my way, okay? And now all I got to do is take care of this debris. So, yeah, for $4, I got the job done. I don't know, what would a handyman charge me for that?